Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch this my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpakam. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
From this and she did Benin.
Wetin happen to your wife?
Wetin me dey talk now? For that time now, I can't do the same things. I dey do everything they give her for Jamie that time. When I tell you Jamie. For 2019, I can't send motor when I want to go give her. As I send the motor go give her, he start now, people can't come and say, this woman, when they send everything they give, she they give that, they wait for you, they do everything. You know, say this woman girl boyfriend. Answer. My wife, they answer those things. She know they agree. She even if I want to be the matter, she know even allow me talk her. Say all those things are for you yesterday, because I said that for her head. Now at least she be woman when I get. So now I say answer. As I just answer now so she just carry my leg for ground. Say why me will even call the answer? Who be the person will tell me? I said the person will tell me, you know. Hard. Now my junior one, I say see person when he see you. Say I want to tell say he see you, he see my brother wife with another man for hotel. Now I say the answer. I saw the woman take carry my leg for that 2000. I already said the motor. Use my son, they say put the motor go give her that period. And after the matter, now so I tell you say she can't call her one day. She follow one policeman go Lagos. He say motor when his brother where they Jamie carry come. Say the motor. They spend money, the motor, they not carry and come. He want follow the policeman, go Lagos, go carry the motor. And I follow policeman, go spend 3 days for hotel. Now I come say, you
your wife,
married woman, you live there for us.
Wait,
so your brother carry motor come, you want follow the policeman. Go carry am. Now with the matter say for that time, mommy, when I do from before I know what it happen, government for Germany, they don't carry my leg for ground. They just write petition against me, say I get for children from Nigeria with my wife, say I have battled that I don't live there. I want to come out another woman for Jenny. They get one girl, one Bulgarian girl when I be friend. That one they post me for picture well. They carry the picture, now they send that for my house Snyder. I so problem they do. Before they do, they not fit deport me that time. My lawyer can't fight the case that time. They not come fit deport me. My wife now can use a spiritual way to enter the matter. No be small thing. Before 2 months, another for that 2019, another while I don't start. Now so they do me, even people, me and many people, when we there, all of them even surprised. Which kind of problem this one when not they finish? And so they take report me that I even try to run. Now I go fast. As I just reach hacking, I not even dress like that they travel. I just reach hacking, and so police just take surround me for hacking. They just ask me passport. And so they first carry me come back that time before they call the person. Come finally deport me for December. For 2019 December come. I reach out mommy. I see my wife. I don't know what thing I want done. I look. She did swear for my presence.
Yeah, they can't deport you.
Since when I come up, learning my daughter to her for road. That's okay. But what of my deport? Why you call it the UJU say deport me for Jamie? You say in one, she not deny. You say in one, me I can't see her. Me my two I can't see her. Whether she do or she not do. And I say okay, don't wonder. Waiting one prophet really tell me because when the matter they happen, there is one Igbo woman. When direct one prophet for me, I call the prophet tell me say my wife, now they do everything. Say the woman not be ordinary woman. When I marry, say this is why before person marry, you have to take the woman to church. May they do deliver for her before you marry her. The pastor called tell me like that. As I reach us, and where we see carry me go GROA, one celestial for GROA for Yama. The said as me and she just go there, I mean not even know the prophet before. Now she can, now my wife carry me go there. As we just did the same thing. Now the prophet just dey tell me, say whether my wife tell me, say me I come. Say now my wife now carry me come back.
Easy.
I look, mama, nothing make problem with her, nothing do anything. And my children, they did there. I say, but now, no be if I say me as a follower, they make problem now. I know if we come more for Nigeria, I will see day. Now I take carry my first son, follow body. That one now 16 years old boy. Now I carry down follow body. Me I say that one say come up for Nigeria. See for inside that one, she come say she get belly. Again after 4 children, she come say she get belly for last year now, 2020. She come tell me say she get belly. I say, who can give you belly? He say na me now. I say that belly because me don't already come up for. I say that belly. You sure say na me get am? He say me give me test when you do. Now he send the test. Come give me. They send the test. Come they say the department December 18. They bring the test. Come say she get the belly for December, but say the belly start for December, but no, they not correct date put. When the belly say.
Oh yeah, wait. Now the 18 now they deport you. Now when you make love with your wife, when? When
I take on her so. When I take reach Nigeria.
December time.
Because she did dinner, she did swear, so you know. I make love with her for that December, so when I come. I make love with her, that kind 2020 something. I make love with her. For January, I still make love with her before I come up for February.
Now you get the belly now. Happy?
Now we call they do the matter, mommy, because the one where it don't happen, I did not forget that one. So everything what she do me for Jeremy because of 2 children, I not come do the matter. I not even tell my family the matter. I not even let my family know say me there because me and all those one will not they agree too much. Me not even call those one say I dey Nigeria before I see come out. When me and this one take on leave now. As we dey now, the thing I can't even work. If I record the woman, sometimes my wife when say a new born, she born for September last year. If I call her sometimes, she will just off my phone or she will just block me. If I call her, the number will be banned from morning to night. Sometimes I will call her around 8 o'clock in the night. She will do road. She will do inside motor. Where you for the you when you born? Where baby? You say baby there with my girl because I get only one daughter when she born for me. That one at 13 years old now. You will say that one hold baby for her. I say you when you born, you leave baby for us. You enter road this night. Children they have. You don't see me anything no happen to them. Where you go this night? When I say the matter, don't even if I even they talk the matter, say she no match, she will just call the call. He will just offer. When I lose her coffee, they talk. Now I call my family for us. Now I call report the matter to my family. Says, see what I pass through for my wife. And she will even do, she will call me sometimes. She will call me for video call. He will add another margin. He will add another margin the video call. It will be conference call. If I the answer be this, the man will call the call. I can't call a brother. If I want to join me, I report that one to them. Before me even they talk the matter, that one just carry my leg for ground. Say you no know the one will be my own for inside. Say for even for Jeremy where he did. If they see Oyibo, when marry, when get wife and children for us. Say the man will come out, he will go carry another woman for us. The woman will come out, he will go carry another man. Say they know will say make the woman come, make come die put. Now I say, now what now you they tell me so? And so I take all the boy call. Now I block the boy for phone. Before I report the matter to my family. And now my family is better now. You say no, they come. And before me come up for Benin, they already tell me say the church where they go. Now because now the pastor, now they follow they do everything. They tell me for inside the church say the pastor with my wife say they get with the day. Say before me come, say 2 of them. Now they see. So before me come out. And the pastor, many people tell me say the pastor is still with her. The person when you see the eye join me for phone now see the pastor. If I just call the number, so the man will just shout for me. Say me I not try to call this number again. Me I not call the number again. Say no one care to know me, no one know who I be. I never know you before. Person add the joint call, say call me for conference call. For WhatsApp for that matter, not be say for ordinary call. Me no, I just like me I confirm who this one be. They shout for me. I think tell me, mama. Now I call report the matter to my family. My family invite her now for our village for Eboyini. They invite her. She says she know the come. She did be my house now. She dey here and the children dey. So all my property when I dey use now she dey use the everything. Even earlier this year now I still rent flat for her for Eriri. I rent one flat for around 200,000 and I pay for the house where I did for it. Earlier this year, now I rent that one for her. Mommy, I beg, I'm not looking at and do. This one when I tell you now, you know, village people that they do. And the thing are true, say the woman, he really get boyfriend for being there. Even the man where they friend, with the number of the man they with me, if I they call, I will just the shop for me, say me I not call the call again. Mommy, I beg. I want to help me. If you still need that number, I will still say a number for me.
Give me a number. Make a fair call and Anna first before I go talk to you. Before I will call you, but make you there online. They watch.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma.
Now if I call and what do you want make a? I can't know you are calling. What the phone do report? Wanire Webo. Wa se Nigeria. Wa nisi okwu aye Nigeria. Where came maybe where we say, or come at na kpasi aye. There is no amount in warrior gear. The happiness of Ghana complete. More than 5 years. Autonomy go job. I give begay. A phone gila begay. You got in here or bet. Not a matter. Where care? If you no get no matter beg, if you no kozo. O mate keke. Wanisi okwa you one was your woku wabe mo. Wamawu wawapa diero. Ebonu wamaege nugwa yade. Wakakabo ati woku wabu wa. Why we are because Omaizi Ovegene evudo men do understand evudo no woku ome tamino ya woku that is so be a honku so you got come woku wabo we can here mabegemi we can here Ima verse anybody no more theory no more wasinya wa got to marry as a petty yawo kan many of them okwo be ri ori odafin ala wa be webo o maizi ni biere me make ni jori eri o no dafin ya bo wa munia awa bi o to awa manage me prefer on odafin we wa ro me yeke odafin ya be we na ya be do agbaloko ni agba me yo egbe enokwo never kante sili keto gwaliga webo no abi wo gwa wege emma so everybody have to stop anybody no what travel no wa mo kan welelegbe ku gwa ki we wa ya gbalode owo gwe abe mo ku welelegbe ni we be si emu a ewa isu seba e mo na si aya na pa je webo iloki ami ebo so wa de webo wa ku gwe kegbe abi ma me emi no mu bi e la webo Omo lele gbo mo me 2 years o me wa your cross is better than what do total ewebo ona oriomo ni jo ni re de 5 years who wa ya mi ebi o kan we wa arriba de 10 years who wa ya je Nigeria ije o de no wa enjoy bai o kwa igbera 50 years in emi o pe mo boy kan ko vere o again no why I enjoy any and from that 20 years in it 30 35 40 45 ya boy 50 again anyway don't we bo me we ya wa to me sha sister here what that fun wari go giwa but una gelege wa to bu wa be neni go ni ari nu go be layun wa gbere o be meeting you wa gbere cause we wa re bo kagbon we o dupo ni ami awa me hey we choko da fun me le loku be webu we choko da fun me ye bi eje webu dupo ni ayi be ga wa me so is there no esi o ma layan igbere ne la ma no ya le ba ni o ma layan igbere ne take 2 minutes I okay mwe ba yan ma gbere we awari o egbe baba no wa onu digest ya o emi so no gbera o wa la yan we gbere direct ya o but amaka kenu jebo ya choda fun we adi o wa emi no ru da pa we ni ge wa so obo o so no so eme so ru demo no be mi go ya pay mo ige school fees okay wa mo pa deport ema I will boy a dipotoma. Wa give my color, wa ya tami yo. Wa ni be file phone, wa ma o. Wa we se wa ma no be unu wa. Wa ri zena. Debbie, what see Juju take draw you back? Don't I listen, now the woman they call so. I don't know why my phone did no number. Hello? 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 Hello, my sister. Good evening, ma.
Good evening, Mother.
I better tell the children, make them slow, please. The noise is too much.
Huh?
I want to talk to you. Come up from where the children there. I want to talk to you, please.
I'm not there.
I say I want to talk to you. Yagu egwa. Eno zireke nuje kami biakani ni yaga italo. Tell the children so make they hold on.
Hello?
You know they hear me?
I don't hear you now.
I bet tell the children make them not make noise again. Now your husband, now he bring your matter come. Where your husband?
Huh?
Your husband, where your husband? Oda forever.
Owa.
Oda forever wa. Ya meti gwe gwa.
Huh?
Ya meti gwa wa we gwa.
I'm not there.
Can I talk to your husband?
Talk to me now.
But where your husband?
You never come.
Where he they go?
Hello, who they talk to me?
Okay, let me go to the point. Now me they talk to you, mommy. You're the one of Paris. I don't know whether you go don't see my video. You see that woman where bring salt and water come out, and they do my program on YouTube. Maybe you never hear of
I'm
me.
not there.
Hey, Jesus Christ. Hello.
Hello?
You,
Let me talk.
you know that woman where bring salt and water come out, where we tell they pray. English now your master. Anyone.
Huh?
Now your husband come, your husband, now he come report to me. Your husband. Okay. Chebina don't invite you for village. They invite you for village, yes or no?
I'm not going. Who they talk to me?
But why you not go? You supposed to go now. Now me they talk to you, now mommy yore. You see that woman, I don't know whether I'm not sure say you go there, you go even there Facebook self. You there for Facebook?
Yes, I do WhatsApp.
Okay, not WhatsApp, not be Facebook. What I want to ask you, Your husband tell me say you get belly. Hello? Your husband say you get belly.
Yeah?
Your husband say you get belly. You hear me? Okay, now your husband say if they that, may you go village. What till your husband say may you go do for village?
I don't know.
But before you go say you not go, why you not ask your husband? Say my love or my husband, what till I want go do for village?
Who they talk to me? Who they talk to me?
Na mommy Jore be my name. Na France I dey stay. I not na France now I dey do program on YouTube. Maybe you go don't hear my name. That woman way Eh?
Na flat you dey.
Yes, ma.
Anything.
No, not be because your husband they follow my prayer points. Your husband he dey Morocco no, I be Libya. Your husband dey Libya now.
Anything.
I don't even they understand you. Which kind, madam? Please go to the point. Your husband say he tell you say may you go village. Say the belle when you get in this. Eh?
Go do wetin.
But why you not ask your husband say what do you want go do for village? My sister, my brother. You know, say we have different type of wildness. I don't know if you understand my English. If you're na, maybe feel like person like your wife now, or my defio. Even a boy really want money or lunue. So you just forget about this woman. Leave her like that. Okay? Pray for your life to enter Europe. She's too dull. She's too dull. The woman too dull. Native dull. If this woman enter native daughter life, they go finish all your money. I will advise you as a brother, fight for your life. On a oko no gomazio. When you get to your life video, you're the worst person ni egugun before. I don't know boka do way etana. He can never tell you. So what I will just tell you, not let him matter bother you. Her matter bother you. Not even think about and think about your children. Pray may you enter the Europe back, you and your child. Okay? Just forget. Because when you no see gedu, wa mwenga wo si wewe yeke. Oh, si onga wewe yeke. Many women dey like that for Europe. He adore. Takebe no waya gwa e. Egbona na abe do we luwe. Abe do luwe, okwo be yana do luwe. Eh fati e lafi we. Ah moko no ma serious e brother, u fati e lafi we. E do be jeni maniko, magabe moto no ma serious u fati e lafi we. Cause so that akwe wa fearful u lose. You here lose o we. To get a bad luck or slowness life or get bring you way down, man. Hello.
Hello, ma. Mommy, good evening, ma.
Good evening, sir. God bless you. I talk with your wife. She dey pretend like say she not even know what it dey ground. You not even know all those kind of things. Please, my brother advise you. How old your wife dey?
She will do 30, let me say 35th now.
Now she just dey talk like say she never even come up for Benin one day.
Mommy, she know what she do. That woman not be another woman.
Not be another woman.
My people now can answer me back. I see come back. I look because of my children. I not feel wrong for her.
You say she know what she dey do.
But hello, ma.
Hello. You say she know what she dey do.
Hello.
Oh God.
She know what she dey do. My family go village and the whole community. I will say you need my senior brother when they village no banner for send for you. All those one will explain everything to you. Me and them, since I go Euro come back, 1 year I not give them one day, I not call them one day. Because I said they abandon me, they no lower me to travel. Now let my wife lower to travel. You get one if I been him for Germany there. He did Mochigraba, and I they help us the census to go Nigeria. You understand? Now they help me to carry car to every three times in a month. Now the census to go they give them before I still carry motor come. House when I build for airport road, for a word the outside. Now she build the house away for me. And also one family one day. And she use it but they attack me to make sure say they break me come back. He said she get boyfriend for.
So she just accept, say that she do juju, take carry you come back to Nigeria. Oh my God. I dey hear this thing. This is a fake.
So Jeremy, na use the do. When we go this Celeste church, when they hear heroin, I carry me go for here, man. Now she carry me go there. Me not even know the pastor. We never even sit down before the prophet begin to talk. Exactly what the first tell me for Jeremy, so say that so the prophet. She did there when the man they talk. Everything when the man talk, he come out, he go tell the pastor for church. Say where we go, see what they talk.
Jimmy. Wa beg me go give me no wa work me. So now where you contain? Now you dey Libya.
I tell Libya now, me and my first son now, because that one be doing SS1 for this secondary school where they opposite OLE for airport road. I ask if they go DSS1. When they say deport me, I look, I know if he forward the school. If I leave her like that, come on, because the boy they grow past the age. I call it, if I leave her like that, come on, we just enter after begin to do another thing they go. Now I just kind of follow body. Say God do me, we are fit trust her for here.
See life. Salobane Giguaro Pario Hodan. God.
Anytime when I just talk and come out, the blood and when they join me, they will just carry my leg for ground. They will say now some white women they do. Say they know they kill the white woman put. Why me would they talk her? Say their sister the two left answer. Your sister stay down for her head. They carry an anchor for my leg. If she they do all those things, you will draw my enemy go back.
But I think that they talk say Asian women they can never fuck for outside if they pay their bride price. That they talk and say they can never try it.
Now so our play too. Heavy for business.
Okay, now why your wife can't do it now? Your wife not be Asian.
Now Asian, now the same village for come. Now the same way here for come.
Yo, we are working me.
Her name na Vivian Ogbebo.
Vivian.
Because Ogbebo na my family.
Working me.
Whether she don't check down on what the family say they call her, I don't know.
Yo, what you want no we work back. Yo, we call it balo mo. Ah, we no ka wa reje me gwa go de gbe to lo talk we come more. Ah. When na wa we gbọ́ ni mi e. Mama we bonu ya ma.
I see the same money they give her. Not be say I even abandon her. Anything when I still work for you, I will still give her. I will say no, the road never clear. Not knowing that she dey do another thing. And I God, now even call the civil. Anytime when I say some money, do give her. Say me take pay my children's school fee. That week, 1 naira no will enter my house. Me and person in my pikin when I chop, we know if chop. Will they borrow people money, me will take the eat. Any week, of course, which kind of problem be this one? If I answer, I will send my family and I they do for us. I will actually know what she they do. He will send my family and I they do. Say they want to see me want to progress. I beg me now help me because as you call her now, he will sit tell his brother now. What his brother they do? That one will they track me for phone. That's what that one they do because he get people when look computer well. And they will get my number, track my number phone. As I dey live down, they will track my phone for your number. When they send my phone, they will get everything. They will use my number till they do nonsense. And wait for those until they attack me with that one.
Yo, my God. Your wife not get papa, get mama again.
You don't get papa, but you get mama.
What
you get mama? Your mama know everything. Mama know everything where they happen. Your mama know everything where they happen. Your mama they support them. Your mama they support them. The time when this thing happen, when I fell release the land, I said they carry my leg for Jamie. When they worry me for Jamie, I think say the kid dog was then out to deport that day. Police find me come house in the night. One boy come call me. You say we are there, I say I don't from work come because they signed 3 years contract for me for wedding work. I get company when I they work for EKLS. The EKLS are for they go work. I then Hasbek, I from Hasbek they go work for EKLS. The boy come me say that night me I don't sleep pass we are there outside there. I say me I don't sleep. Me I find where to sleep. I can't go sleep one of my place. Now Benin boy they call the boy Felice. I can't go sleep his place for room. That very night police in the night now with from window they look there they come my room. They be one come carry me that day, they don't see me. After 1 week, now I come out, I go renew my paper. As I go office for our house side, I will for the renew paper. Now there they be wanting me. I can't run, leave my bag, leave everything for there. That day, I can't run, come on. Now that day, I see me, I come on, go France. When they still go hold me for hacking. The police were hold me for hacking. Sometimes they will help me. When I escape all those ones. They can't say they will help me, I not worry, me, I not run again. I can't say, now that time, they can't take away the case. They can't renew my paper for me. They can't give me 3 months. They can't stamp 3 years contract for my paper. I can't they work.
Oh, yeah.
The October again. October, one of my wife pastor call me for Germany. Because that one you just call, they do it, call they share my number everywhere. Different number will they call me. The pastor call me, he say pastor. He say pastor. Now I say pastor from where he say from Edo. Say now my wife now give him my number. Say before the end of that 2019, say I was in Nigeria. Now I say God forbid. I not get document, I not get anything. Wait till I take on Nigeria. He said my wife not tell anything about document. So say me I can say na him loan. I say God forbid I reject her. And really December now they can't carry me.
Oh, my brother, just take heart. Yeah? What you go do now? I will give you prayer points. Make you they pray. Make you they pray.
And now that everybody come to me again. Even my village people now, they say they invite her. They call and not call. They even go send message, call, go give him mama. Say that the community need her. Say the family wants her. The mama wants her. They say the girl no, say the daughter not well. Say the daughter they been not well.
Salobua.
I beg, because the matter, they be even say as far the man not bad day with me. Say me a reporter for Oba Palace. Me a fat person, me help me reporter for there. Say this kind of thing, say Benin with it, they forbid that.
Wait, so the man where they friend your wife. The man where they friend your wife, you got the man number.
The man where they join, he will add and join me for video call for WhatsApp.
Yeah, send me the man number. Send me the number. Make I want the man.
I get the man number. If I call, I will just shout for me. No, they pick my call.
Send me the man number, and you go tell me you know the man name.
I don't know his name. I don't know. He don't add and join me for WhatsApp. They call me. The man number can't come out. You know, if a conference call for a call, you know, say the number must come out for the phone. And the man come out. The man will show his face. He put the phone. He put the camera for back camera.
But you know, say your wife. Hello, Oga. You know, say your wife not today intelligent too. She not today intelligent.
Oh, me, senior.
She not today intelligent.
I don't know. I said the number for my junior one. My junior call. Hello, ma.
Bring the man number. Come. Bring the man number because your wife not today intelligent. Bring the man number.
You know what did happen? Even as me to talk to you now, they say the woman, a low native daughter, when not look for Benin. Say the woman not be ordinary woman. They even say if my family call, I know will come. You know, even though you talk to her, I wait till the day, man, I will just not listen to anybody.
He says she not they go. He says she not they go. She refused to go, which is very bad. Which is very, very bad. It's your that for when I get at here way. They no nare webo. They Nigeria jewa here. Okay webo.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.